Egg. Egg begins with letter E. Saan dito ang the same beginning sound of egg? Beginning sound. Is it corn? Is it corn? Derby, look. Corn or eat? Letter C or letter E? Very good. That's it. Next, this one. Number 3. Wala pa. The word is boy. Boy begins with letter B. Saan dito ang word begins with letter B? Bat or red? Bat or red? Very good. Next, this one. The word is cow. Cow begins with letter C. Okay, very good. Cat. Next, dito. The word is dal. Dal begins with letter D. Where is the word begins with letter D? Dog or moon? Okay, good job. Next, this one. The word is ant. Ant begins with letter A. Which word begins with letter A? Sun or ant? Ox. Good job.